Hello everyone, so if you want to cut an object from a photo on your iPhone 14 Pro Max, first of all open up Photos application. Now choose a photo which you want to work with. Now press and hold the object if you want to cut it out, just like this, it cuts out easily. And now you can either copy or share it directly. Let's copy it. So tap on it, press copy. Now you can create a new sticker, or for example, you can open up your notes, press create new note at the bottom right corner, and here you simply press paste, and as you see the sticker was pasted successfully. You can save it as a picture, you can press share and press save image, and you will find this image back in your gallery. So as you see, we've got a fully independent sticker. Also, you can scroll the image and crop it directly in the gallery without copying. And basically that's it. That's how you do with your stickers. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.